Second, because of that you are saying Narendra Modi and Tamil Nadu is a Prime Minister of this great country. Either we like or not, that is a different issue. You will be there next election also, I am confident. That is the confidence people are having. How to develop the state also. That is where you have to think. Open up your minds, not close our minds. This is where I used to say, once communist parties used to say, no reform. One day I told, all isms are over. Capitalism, socialism, communism. Only one ism is going to prosper, tourism. That is the reality today. Any communism now? Why? I am asking you. Tomorrow also same thing for us. I am asking my people to learn not only Telugu. Telugu compulsory. You have to learn to protect our identity and also promote. Even PM is talking, promote language, mother tongue. All primary education should be in mother tongue. In Andhra Pradesh, they forced to go for English 100%. Central government said no. Mother tongue is the best to teach our children. It will be very easy. That is the pride of our culture. Always PM is saying, India is pride because of different cultures, different languages, different legacies. Ultimately, India is one. Gujarat culture is different. Andhra culture is different. Tamil Nadu food is different. Andhra food is different. If I come to Tamil Nadu, sambar idli, very popular. I used to enjoy that also. One idli,